Hello. Hi.
What is up, guys? If you notice, our background is totally not our RV. It might look like a hospital right now. So in today's video, we're gonna tell you where we are and what the heck has happened over the past 2 weeks. Alrighty, so Gab and Bren today, it is not a really finance or sustainability focused video today. Today we have a life update for you guys. So it's super echoey in here because there is literally no furniture, there is nothing. We are just like in this room. So pretty much what has happened is that we came across an opportunity that was pretty good, like that we said, man, like we gotta take this. So one, we sold our RV. So we have left the RV life, which is so ironic because we literally made a video like a month ago talking about our experience of living in an RV for the past year. So we've said goodbye to the RV life and an opportunity has come up for us to live in this duplex. So we are in one side of this duplex that is still on this campground here. So we're still at the campground in Key West. So we literally moved probably 300 feet to the right, I guess. But give us the lowdown on the duplex.
All right, so situation we've got going on here, we are upgrading a little bit in our living situation. We went from about 350 square feet, I think, in our RV to this is about 490. But yeah, so we're working with a real bare bones setup right now. It's really hot in here and echoey, and we haven't installed an AC yet, so I am sweating a little bit. But this is what we're working with. We'll give you guys a tour and let us know what you think.
All right, let's go.
So here you're looking at our front door. This opens right up to the campground. We've got
totally blown out background. I don't know how to.
There's some artwork here and some nice. It looks pretty. Trust me. Then what we're working with is this kitchen. It's really messy right now. This is actually the section that's probably the most done. Well, other than the bathroom. But so Gabby's dad and another worker put all of this stuff in. So this was a big selling point for us, was the butcher block. We were unsure if we wanted to come here or not, but the fact that it's butcher block rather than like some dated granite that we're not big fans of kind of pushed us over the edge. So this is really it for the kitchen. We've already moved all of our stuff. We put all of our kitchen stuff into these cabinets. Not decided on where things are going yet, but we're just in the process of moving. So that's kind of where we're at. We didn't clean up anything to show you guys. So this is it in raw form, the way that it's been sitting. In this area over here, we have what we are gonna make the living space. So you have one window along this wall. We're not sure exactly what we're gonna do, but some sort of couch and TV probably. One thought that we did have coming over to this place is that Lilo is really used to having a window, so we thought it would be really cute to put a couch right here and have her be able to climb up and look out the window. Now we have the bedroom. Again, stuff all over the place, but really it's just bare bones. We got our closet full with all of our stuff that we threw in there. As well as all this leftover material that we might make into some shelves, or really undecided what we're doing, but we want to get a bed here that's pressed up against the wall to maximize the amount of floor space that we have. We're really working with more floor space than we're used to coming from the RV, so this is like a mansion for us. And down this little hallway we have the bathroom. So the bathroom is what I mentioned is probably the most finished. The only thing that has to be done still is a couple of paint splotches that need to be touched up. But other than that, like the sink works and I believe the toilet works. I haven't used it yet. And the shower works. So all of this is pretty good. I think we're gonna the one thing we don't have in here is a laundry machine and dryer. So I think we're gonna be using a little portable washing machine that we might put in this corner here, and then we'll show you where the dryer might go. And this is the last room of the space. So we're not sure exactly what we're doing with this space, but we might have a desk, we might have a futon or something, make a nice setup to film from.
All right guys, so that's a quick overview of the tour. Some things to note is that this area was completely renovated. So what you guys see now really looks amazing. I mean, this place was gutted and now it's looking awesome. I mean, like Brendan said, like the butcher block is great and that was a total selling point. So we're really gonna try to finish off the end of this renovation. So things that we're gonna do are probably gonna be new flooring. So we're putting in laminate flooring, very similar.
Vinyl flooring. You made the mistake before.
Okay, well it's vinyl plank flooring. We got it from Home Depot. Very picky on this dusk cherry floor. So once we'll put that in, we'll probably make a video of the process. We're familiar with how this goes because we learned a lot from our RV renovation and we're just translating that knowledge to here. So we got to do the floor, we have to do molding, we have to do some finishing touches on the plumbing, and then from there we're gonna move into searching for things like furniture, and then really we get to move in here because as of right now we are sharing my childhood bedroom with Lilo and it is a twin bed. So I think we fit enough into this video about how we plan on transforming this place into its final touches. So since we're in the midst of doing this renovation and finishing up our place to live, probably for the next 2 weeks, we might be a little slow on coming out with content because we need a place to live for us to make more videos ideally. So our next video coming up is probably gonna have to do with this renovation and with putting in new flooring and whatnot. So stay tuned on those videos and how to install things, how to do things on your own, how to buy things at bargain prices because that's what we're all about. And so guys, leave any questions you have down in the comments below and we'll be happy to address any of those. Thank you so much for all of our current subscribers for sticking with us and the new ones for joining Gab and Bren through our adventure to help save the planet and your wallet. So guys, have an awesome one. Thanks for watching.